Hi, myself Nitesh Prajwal from 6M. Today I am going to explain about one major project and two minor projects. The major project is about the campus designing, the culinary institution. The minor project is about redesigning the movie poster and redesigning the logo. Let's take a look about the campus designing. Introduction to the site and the concept. The site is located in Kanakpura Road, KSSEM College, and it is a contour site. The total area of the site is 14,275 square meters. The ground coverage is 55%, that is 7,850 square meters. The main concept of the design is stepping the building and stilted on the steep. Building on the slope side offers many advantages. Advantages like views and capturing some nice breeze. The building on the slope side requires more site planning and design consideration according to the site context and environment or surrounding landscape. According to the site, I have designed or reconstructed the contour, and you can see in this sheet redesigning sheet on the contour according to the placement of the blocks. Master plan. Here there are two entries to the campus. One main entry to student and faculty which leads to the parking and academic and auditorium block. Another one is for the management and principal to admin block. As you can see in the plan, number 2 represents the admin block and library block. Number 3 represents the admin block. Number 4 represents the auditorium, canteen and underneath parking. The academic block has two wings which are parallel to each other and divided between green spaces. Parking plan starting at -12. The main entrance to the site is on the west side. The parking is under the auditorium block. The capacity of parking is 220 two-wheelers and 40 four-wheelers. Auditorium and canteen plan starting at level -8. The auditorium has been placed close to the academic block and it is near to the parking also. There are two entries for the auditorium. First from the academic block and second from the parking. The auditorium has a capacity of 400 seatings, accommodating in a combination of stepping and flat floors. Auditorium consists of two floors, mezzanine, also known as balcony. While coming to the canteen plan, the stairway leads to the canteen from the academic block, which is placed between the auditorium and canteen. The canteen has a capacity of 100 to 150. Auditorium and canteen plan starting at level -3. In this floor, the capacity of seating is 100, where the floor acts as a mezzanine. As I said, it is also known as balcony, where there is an entrance from the canteen also, and the both floors are interconnected, and in this canteen floor there is a seating spaces for academic block plan starting at level -7. Academic block is being placed at the slope in the site. Academic block is being designed as a step. Academic block has two entrances, from the admin block and also from the auditorium and canteen block. As we enter the academic block, it is linear in plan, where classrooms are placed at both sides, and there are two academic block where it is being placed parallelly between green spaces. Academic block plan starting at level -4, where the service scores are overlapped each other. In the previous plan -7, you can see the overlapping of staircase and washrooms. And as I said, the plan is a linear where classrooms are placed at the both sides. Academic block starting at level -1. Here, the staircase and lifts are overlapping each other from the previous plan -7 and -4, and the toilets are separated compared to the previous two plans, and the plan is linear. As I said, the classrooms are divided. both sides. Academic block plan starting at level +2, where service core are overlapped at -1 and -2, and classrooms on both sides. Academic and admin block plan starting at level +5. Here, the main part of the institution is the culinary kitchen. Here, the students learn about the food and preparation or cooking the food. Here, each block contains both one culinary kitchen and one bakery kitchen. In the same floor, there is a storage room, cold and dry. The culinary kitchen has a capacity of 40 students at a time, and a bakery kitchen has a capacity of 30 to 35 students. As you can see, admin block also starts at +5. There is an entry from main road for the principal or management people. As we enter the block, where there leads a stairways to the upper floors in the admin block, and there is a reception desk, waiting lounge, and a clerk office in the level +5. Here, the admin block and academic blocks are placed at the same level, +8, where the another entrance from the admin block which leads to the academic block, where there is a lobby and a faculty office. There is an entry to the admin where it leads to a waiting lounge and a stairways to the library, and down stairways to the main entrance from the main road, reception desk, and clerk's office and waiting. In the admin block, there are principal office and meeting rooms are provided. Library plan starts at level +11, where library and admin are placed in the same block. Library is placed at the top of admin block. Library has a capacity of 300 students. The seatings are provided inside the building, and also some of them are provided outside as a open seating. As we enter to the library, the office is kept towards the left, and there is a mezzanine flooring in library also, where circular staircase leads to it. Library plan starting at level +14. As I said, there is a circular staircase leading to the mezzanine flooring in the library. The same design concept of open seating is given here also. From here, we can view full campus from academic block to auditorium block because of the steep. While coming to the side sections, section A, you can see academic block placing inside the slopes like stepping and with these tilted walls. Section BB, the section of the auditorium and parking and the facade of the academic block, and a whole section of library admin and a mezzanine floor of the library. Section CC, the section through auditorium and canteen. Here you can see the parking underneath the auditorium and canteen, and the mezzanine flooring in the auditorium acts as a balcony. The balcony and canteen are both are interconnected, and there is an entrance through canteen also. While coming to the 3D model views, as you can see, the first picture is a bird view of a campus and the entrance to the administration block, and there is a library open. Here, the stepping of academic block with tilted walls to the steeps, the auditorium block, the space between the auditorium and canteen, which acts as a seating area, and vehicular entrance and parking. There are two minor projects. One is watching movie and redesigning the poster. Another one is redesigning the logo. The first one, watching movie and redesigning the poster, where we have to watch a movie and redesign the poster. So I got The Adjustment Bureau, a film by George Neflo. The main role are played by Matt Damon and Emily Blunt. In The Adjustment Bureau, Matt Damon plays a politician character and he meets a random girl, and every meeting he always meeting her by a chance. And some people wearing hat will always be fixing the things and moving the things and holding the time, and they are called the Adjustment Bureau. And this Adjustment Bureau controls everything happens on the earth. This bureau don't want to meet Matt Dunes and Emil Blunt together, so they keep aparting each of them. And these bureau people will travel by the doors by wearing the hat wherever they want. At the end, they both are going to meet through the Adjustment Bureau itself, and they are going to change the everything. As you can see the poster, Matt Dims and Emily Blunt are represented with the zigzag lines in the background. So it is the meeting point, and still they didn't meet in this poster. And you can see a person wearing a hat with a doors. So I represented a person wearing a hat can travel. So it's known as the Adjustment Bureau, person who can wear hat and travel anywhere through any door. Second one, redesigning the logo, where I got to redesign a Gmail. So we all know that what is Gmail and what use or functions we do in the Gmail, and have redesigned this by three types or three different designs. The first one, the logo describes how the mail drops into the box, where G acts as the external box, less compressive with more clarity. While coming to his second concept, the second logo, the cube which functions as an inbox. The cube further transfer into the shape of M, which represents the mail. The top surface of the cube is further continued at the edge from G, which represents the Google product. The third one, it is in red color, used easily recognized, and one click is used to send a message to someone else, to someone place somewhere. And the envelope represents the security and a message sending to a person.